Chapter 49 of the Quran is named Al-Hujurat, which means the rooms or the chambers. This surah consists of 18 verses and addresses themes such as proper conduct among Muslims, respect for the Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him, the importance of verifying information, and the unity and equality of the Muslim community. Here are some key messages from Surah Al-Hujurat. First is the Treaty of Hudaybiyah and its significance. The surah opens with the declaration of a clear victory for the believers, referring to the Treaty of Hudaybiyah. It explains how the treaty, initially perceived as a setback, eventually led to significant gains for the Muslims, including the opportunity for peaceful propagation of Islam. Second is forgiveness and completion of Allah's favor. Allah promises forgiveness of the past and future sins of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him, completion of his favor upon him, and guidance to the straight path. This reinforces the Prophet's status and the divine support he receives, encouraging the believers to follow his example. Third is strengthening of the believers. The surah mentions the tranquility and peace sent down into the hearts of the believers, which strengthen their faith and resolve. It highlights the role of this inner peace in uniting the believers and enhancing their commitment to Islam. Fourth is the Pledge of Rizwan. The chapter refers to the Pledge of Allegiance Bayt al-Ridwan taken by the companions under the tree, acknowledging their loyalty and dedication to the Prophet. Allah's pleasure with those who took the pledge is mentioned, emphasizing the honor and reward awaiting them. Fifth is promise of future victories. Surah Al-Fath promises future victories and conquests for the believers, assuring them of Allah's continued support. It mentions the impending conquest of Makkah and other lands, encouraging the Muslims to remain steadfast and hopeful. Overall, Surah Al-Fath serves as a powerful reminder of the significance of the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, the divine support for the Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him, and the promise of future victories for the believers. It emphasizes the attributes of true believers, reassures them of Allah's forgiveness and guidance, and calls on them to remain steadfast and united in their faith. Thank for watching and share the spread message of Quran.